We're going to show you how to install an Eveook on a sloped soffit or a gable with an extended overhang using a SoffitWedge with the SoffitWedge double stick adhesive. First, you need a clean soffit. Then, tear a couple of strips of adhesive and attach it to the smooth, uncut surface of the SoffitWedge. Remove the film from the tape. You can apply the tape up and down or side to side, whatever works best. On the eave, press the adhesive firmly against the soffit. Now you can attach your Eveook. On the gable, attach the SoffitWedge and the Eveook just to the side of the ridge.